Hello our wonderful friends. Welcome to our brand new video. On this tutorial video we will show you how to hide or unhide all photos you're tagged in on Instagram. Open your Instagram profile account. Tap on your profile picture on the bottom right. Tap on the photo icon on the new interface to see all photos you're tagged in. Select the photo that you want to hide, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Tag Options. Finally, hide photo from your profile. To unhide the photos, open the Instagram account which had tagged you. Select the photos, tap on the three dots, tap on Tag Options. Finally, choose Show on My Profile. For any assistance regarding any of our tutorial videos, leave a comment under the comments section of this video. We will respond to you and give you more guidance.